Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to our shop. Chai speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning, Chai. I would like to set an appointment.
Okay, ma'am. May I know who is speaking?
Mintea Bibi.
Okay, ma'am Jasmine. What type of massage do you want?
I'm an athlete person and I want massage to prepare for competition and recover my competition. What massage can you recommend?
Different type of massage, but I recommend sports massage to you, ma'am.
Sport massage sounds nice, but what are the benefits of sport massage?
It increases flexibility, relaxing, help to prevent injury, and treat chronic problems on a holistic level.
Sound interesting. Are you available this week?
Yes, we are. What date do you prepare?
This Thursday. Would that be okay?
Yes, ma'am. May I have your contact number and what time would you visit?
Sure. My phone number is 0951-4569-862 and on 2:30 p.m. May I know how much it costs?
It's 600 pesos, ma'am. For sports massage, book on Thursday at 2:30 p.m. Name of Jasmine Tea Bibi. Do you need anything, ma'am?
That's all, please.
Thank you for calling, ma'am. Have a nice day.